Driving for Blackburn Energy and rolling with RelGen powers me with a healthier lifestyle.
It's JacindaLadyTruckn coming at you, a proud partnership with Blackburn Energy. I'm going to be traveling across the country, rolling with RelGen, marketing, getting the product out there on the road, and getting all the truck drivers educated and encouraging each and every one of you to become a part of the Blackburn family.
Trucking is not a job, it's a lifestyle. And RelGen allows me to sustain my health, my power, and my engine.
They have invented a system that allows us to utilize the output energy from our trucks to provide a cleaner living at night.
This electric unit to provide us all the electricity we need out here on the road.
I am proud and honored to be a part of Blackburn Energy because I believe in it and I'm out on the road to share and make you believe.